So I've got an awesome video coming for you guys later today. I'm busy doing a discharge test on this lithium ion cell, which was fitted to this Philips rechargeable light bulb. So over here is an SD card doing data logging. Over here is a push button with which I'll start the test. Over there is the current, voltage and power meter. It is a SEN0291 from DF Robot, called an Arduino Uno. And then over here, the LCD display, we've got voltage, current, power, milliamp hours that we have sucked out the battery, watt hours, and elapsed time. And then of course this is going to be a CSV file that we can plot in Excel. So keep an eye out for this later. It's going to be an awesome one. See you later. Cheers.